National Green Tribunal has pulled up with the National Capital Region over its failure to implement its orders to control pollution. The NGT has asked senior counsels of the National Capital Region states whether they have read the orders that it passed to control pollution. All counsels say they have not fully read it. Siddharth Pandey now joins us. Siddharth, so 2 days in a row, the NCR councils have been pulled up?
Well, the good news is that while pollution levels may be slightly reduced, and that's also because of the wind that's pushing out the pollution from Delhi, the fact is that the governments, the various state governments are in trouble. The National Green Tribunal not mincing any words, in fact asking the secretaries, it had summoned the secretaries of all the states and it had asked them that whether they'd actually gone through the entire orders which had been passed, and most of them admitted they hadn't really read all the orders. And the NGT in fact saying that your steps clearly show that you are insensitive to the environment. It's in fact asked Punjab and Haryana why adequate steps are not taken to control the residual farm produce waste burning, and why only now are they talking about it. This is thing which happens every year. So in fact Punjab and Haryana were pulled up for this, and Delhi in fact also the NGT said that when all this mess was happening and PM 2.5 had reached almost 1,000 points, which is way above the safe limits, what steps did you take on the ground except steps taken yesterday? And it even asked that why could you not deploy helicopters to sprinkle water over Delhi? This was an emergency situation, and even something like that could have been considered to try and bring relief to the people. The NGT also saying it's shocking that for the first 5 days no government did anything, and everyone just kept seeing how bad the situation was becoming. The NGT also saying that it's your obligation under the Constitution to take action to all the states, and it's also mentioned that it will probably impose stiff penalties and fines on the various state governments, and that in fact we will get to know after the NGT convenes once again after lunch. So in fact this matter not over right now. The NGT is still continuing to hear this. They're saying that they will pass further orders and probably penalize some of these state governments for completely failing to do their duty.